So yes, my beautiful peeps. You know say today is a rainy Friday again. And you know we are getting rain from last week Friday though. Yeah man. Good while we not get some nice rain like them here in Jamaica though. We know so the farmers them, the plants them. Everything when they do want water, I get water now. Yeah. This is what we call more water than flower. But it's a good look still. Yeah man. The rain fully active. Yeah man. So yes my beautiful peeps, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl Unruly Shana. Yeah man. So you don't know so me there in my shop. There in my shop I stock up my fridge. And I do the dupes. You say fridge look good though. Well stocked. Yeah man. So we deal with it.